So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the volume, the interior volume of a cavity or a void in your part in NX11. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add a couple options to the toolbar that are not there by default. So we need to come over to the top border bar here, go over to the right hand side, hit the ribbon options down arrow, and then inside there you're going to go into the selection group. On the flyout here, you're going to select and turn on select all, and then also turn on the all but selected option here. Once you've added these to your toolbar, you'll be able to utilize those for the steps that we're going to need to take when we start to use the synchronous technology delete face feature. So now that we've done that, we're going to go up to the delete face option on the home tab, synchronous modeling category, and then delete face. So let's go ahead and open this up. Once you get into delete face, you're going to want to go up to your drop down for your selection filter here, your face filter. By default, it's set to single face. We're going to change this to the boss or pocket faces option here. So let's go ahead and select this. And now you're going to look at your part and come over to the part and select the interior face of the pocket or the volume that you want to measure on the inside of your part. So I'll go ahead and select the inside of the cylinder wall here. And immediately you can see it's going to go ahead and delete or select all the faces, the pocket faces inside of my my crankcase here. So the next thing we need to do is come over to the top border bar here, and you can see we have those new options that were added here, the all but selected and the select all. So for this case, we're going to do all but selected. This is going to deselect all the currently selected objects and select all the other selectable objects for the user automatically. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that, and you can see my graphics window has updated. Now all the other faces have been selected on the outside of the body, and it's going to go ahead and delete those faces off of my model. So once I hit apply, we'll go ahead and cancel this dialog. Now you can see the remainder, or the material that is left behind, is the interior volume of my crankcase. Once you have your interior volume, you can go ahead and take a measurement on that. So let's go into the analysis tab. Over in the measure category, let's go over to the more drop down. And then we're going to go ahead and select the measure body option under the body category here. So all you have to do now is select your body. So I'm going to select that new body that was created, and I can easily see the volume of that interior volume or space inside of my crankcase now. You can also see the surface area, the mass, radius of gyration, and the weight as well. So once you do that, I can go ahead and turn on the associative option here and then hit apply. And now I have a measure body of my interior volume of my crankcase here. So that's how you can utilize the synchronous technology delete face operation to find the interior volume of your part.